Ketenat legal metrology juga sarkar jela kadai ketenat kebadai ban Peit nak kaliang kathau kawo haki jing penon kam baper Henry kabala ban ongpat bagi kam jongka kimpau satya ban yada yaki nongsong snong nak jing sha thok hakaliang kathau kawo habathiet tiar pnyang kali ni kiwe pat. Kumta uba Sanbor sulai menteri ubari kmi yakani ketenat haka santere guna pra arja arpusan ula penlong kejing yalang Peit benya yakani ketenat har rengkat ki Ophisar bakentup yakakong alialin nikla IAS kabadai ke additional secretary kabadai Peit yakatenat lem kiwe pat. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadin kejing yalang uba Sanbor sulai ulaong bahakatai ketenat ki don tang kumba khat laingut ki inspektor ki Peit ya borok awai ke jela bat kani kawanra shibun ki jing bat kumta kin sawat kilat kilenti kumno ban pen klan susu ya kani ke benta. Nolor kata ulaong bakalong ke basngolingo banadu snam khat khandai spa nyopuar kani ketenat kampat pensitom ya ki pen kenye ki kendon an watla ka don ke jingle bomhok nadu ki petrol pump ki dukan nolor kiwe pat bat kumta ula ai por henru posngi ya ketenat ban IT ya ka kai pot.
The requirement of the department is, you see, in the entire state of Meghalaya we are having only 15.
13.
Only 13. 13 inspector in the entire state. So there was so we have discussed to enhance the structure of the staff. So we have leave it to the wisdom of our chief controller of the department and the director with the consent to examine, and we will place it next in the meeting. We approve and send it to the government. So how many required in district headquarter wise, we have suggested maybe in place of one assistant, another 8 up to 10 district headquarter wise. So now, as per the report, this is very important department in connection with day-to-day life of the people at large, especially in the be it the cement or the petrol or the diesel or the eatable items that the people are buying. So when we ask from the department since the inception of our state 1972, how many cases has been penalized, how many cases has been detected, have you penalized, how many of them, but the report is very negative. So that's why we have decided, and we are giving the department 60 day time to submit the status report. 60 days time the status report. So other things which we have discussed is that the officer in the field, the inspector in the field, they should be very sincere, and from tomorrow they should go and check at their level. We do consultation with the controller of Metrology and the director. We do consultation, so they have to go. And the chief controller, I have entrusted her and director of the department from which trade shall they start. Maybe they will start from the petrol pump, then after that the weight bridge and other trade, subsequently other trade. So all these things they have to submit the report within 60 days. There are only few, whereas we know based on the public complaint, we know that in the entire state, if they are sincere, if the officer, I have given even an example that one Hindi movie acted by Anil Kapoor, one day chief minister. One day chief minister. See what happened if you watch this film. Within one day, he have cancelled thousands and thousands of, and he have even suspended his officer then and there in the spot. So that's why I have given the encouragement, and we have appealed to them also to be sincere and from tomorrow they have to walk in the field. That's what we are very surprised to know that as per the record, since the inception of our state, they have not detected any. Maybe they have not gone to the field essentially to check all these illegalities. Hopefully that based on the meeting which we had today, but from tomorrow I have even appealed to them to work sincerely and to see that the general public should not be
maybe the importance of the department had not really sunk in, because this deals with inaccurate. It's the right of every consumer to get what they paid for. If I paid for 1 kg, I should get 1 kg, nothing less. That is the job of this department. Actually, it's a huge job, and it actually should be protecting everybody's interests, especially the ones at the lower income group, because they are the ones who are impacted the most. If they earn 150 and they're paying 50 rupees extra for every item because they have to buy it 2 times, 3 times, because they're not getting 1 kg. So why this has taken some time, I don't know.
Ma'am, do you feel that there is also a need to create massive awareness among the people about all these maintenance requirements and other things?
Yeah, that also we have discussed. That's why we are inviting all of you from the printing press and the electronic media also, that it should go to the knowledge of all the traders and also especially the general public as to create awareness to the general public also, that they should know that this department is working for that. So we appeal to the general public that they should not hesitate to file a complaint to the inspector, to the nearest police station, and especially to us, even to me as a minister. Also, the complete action will be taken in and there, and as per the law, the action will be taken. It will create awareness because nobody, for the last since the inception of the state, they don't go. I mean, like in a sincere manner to check. So the general public also, you go buy from you 1 kg as told by our chief controller, additional secretary. If you buy 1 kg, you pay 1 kg of rice. You pay the 100 rupees, but but if you remeasure it in your friend house, you are getting less. Maybe 20% less. So this is happening, but until unless we create awareness, people will not know about that. We have the power, the government have a power through this department to check all these illegalities.
In the past, awareness was done, I'm told, from time to time, but then it was not sustained.
There was surprise checks and all that. Was that
They should. Actually, the Act says you should go for surprise inspections. But like the minister has said, and has been brought to his notice by the controller, that this is severe manpower crunch since the inception. One inspector covering the entire district is.
Or as I've said earlier, maybe in place of one in one district, we may enhance to 10 in one district.
May not, depending upon the Act,
right.
Because we also function under the Act. Whether the Act allows for more than one, yes, no. If yes, what to do? If no, what else to do? Perhaps it may not be at that level, it may be at another level, but certainly to help the person in charge of the district to carry on this work, because this impacts them. Yeah. And they have other duties to attend to also. As district heads, they are called for election duty, they are called for VIP duty, they are called for everything. They are called for meetings every time. That also cuts into their working period. These are things that we...
Since you are having only 15, right?
13.
Only
13.
31.
No, it should be one inspector per district minimum. To confess, I've not really gone through everything of the Act that allows us or not to have more than one inspector per district. I must confess, I've not really gone into that. Certainly one inspector per district. So if the Act allows maybe more than that, and it's a central Act. The Act does not allow perhaps some other posts that can assist, perhaps. But certainly, like the Minister said, something has to be done. Because for every person out there, there's so many people. If every person is defrauded of 10 rupees per day, you calculate that in terms of the population of the entire state. Think of the revenue of the government, think of...
Going makan ke bahasa mo, makan ke bahasa nang begini beri sudah Shillong Kundong kindu kibom suku barang. Kam Shillong Kundong dah sorgu. Nung ikan ke bahasa bang idon ni kana kaan deh. Idon ni kana kaan bang idi ben check. Ia kana jing thau tu. Bila kile tu. Ni lah bang. Menta kumsong no haba piliktit ukau sikilo. Pi ai Sanbor tengah sikilo pi kapisa bila ai Sanbor menta sikilo. Katakan di jenggut jangan ke department ni kan bawa pindah lek tahu biang ni uduna ya ke sekilo tu mut 10% lah uduna kan do kalau kata akan kami beduk dosu tekebut kan lek ke kubuar ke bagi paiba bur kim tip bagare ke department kadon kan kami simle terekam lab agri sistem ke baru kami terekam tu paiba rom tip pipilet pi ong ai sekilo lalet la ai tip kan de jingsa ot khajana tu jong pi nak bopi pi teu penyang petrol ne ke simen ne ke ukau na ki marba mardi ki jumpi kaksiar ki baru ki habd ka te ngira ka de kubur ki pa baru ki bagi dup tiplen ka de department ka an gadon sorkat agar ke ding tu de te bagi create audit bagi check dan na sebar bagi appeal ru nang ne syaki pa ba hadin kelai bagi dup tip ki pa ba baru ko skit ki tip ya ka de sebutkin once kapak ar gidon ki dulu ki ba mbonge dulu kita ayu kim ni penting kim ni bisa penting ni dan juara yang komplit lain ni kajik ujur sengi level kita kipat baru kila beli tit naga dukan master AC kilo lipat tahu sawai ban lala puduna kumia kata kipat baru file komplit sengi katum ka ngin sim action ni gitu ki dukan lain ni lagi ki perpom lagi ki dukan dobilat ne ki dukan hardware ki dukan ke bani traders ki dukan jing ti ke bani jing nonton ko ba man ngasni te ki pa ba ri don ka menyarap yang ni bukan ora yang komplain sekarang ba ngila ban sim maksud ya ki ki jing tau tu jong ki habo ka jelas jong bro ko kata ka de ke jumut jong ka meeting tas ki
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batai ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ye kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yeki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yeki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya